All right, guys, well, we had some great sales from dumpster diving, and we're going to take a little birthday trip out of Cali and just take a little moment to enjoy some fruits of the labor. We actually popped from Cali over to Phoenix to Flagstaff Airport, which we're actually flying over Sedona, Arizona. If you have never been, definitely put it on your to-do list. Absolutely gorgeous area. It's a little pricey with hotels around there, but you can shop around on Hotwire, get yourself an inexpensive little bungalow. We stayed in a nice little place, my brother and I. We're gonna enjoy, again, the fruits of the labor. It's a beautiful trip. We're flying into Flagstaff now. And hole number 1, 15 minutes after landing. Check. Let's go. Look at this, straight down the pipe. Basket's right there. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Sedona, Arizona, taking a little vacay time, enjoying some fruits of the labor. Stumbled upon a bat cave. Out here doing a little bit of mountain biking, trekking around a little bit. Let's enjoy Sedona, Arizona, frisbee disc golf, some mountain biking, and we'll press forward. God's country, folks. Oh yeah. Big one? Oh, that's like a jump. Oh, sick, that's flowy. Yeah, baby, drop. Oh yeah. A lot of Tech Johnny today, huh? Nice tasty treats, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. On top of the world, Sedona, Arizona. Mountain biking in the books, chorizo and egg burritos in the books, biscuits and eggs, and now in the beautiful snow, we're playing some disc golf. It's actually fine out here. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the snow just glistening in the sunshine. Just feeling good, looking good, feeling good. All right, we're sitting 2 right here. Got a tester coming up, hit a rock back here, and lo and behold, 70-foot roll backwards. It is what it is. We're making the most out of bread. We're slicing it and dicing it. Sun's out now, mountains are peaking, disc golfing in the woods. Life's not bad. God is good all the time, my friends. Well, number 1, I need some coffee, but we're looking good. Number 2, make sure you follow me on social media below on Instagram. I have the full trip posted down below on my Instagram. We're going to be right back to our regular scheduled program of dumpster diving, but it was a super fun trip, and we'll post a couple videos of that. Check out the videos and pics of the trip again in my Instagram. We'll see you guys in the next video. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.